It's not creased, but it's got a wrinkle to it.
Whoa. Oh no. Ah. Okay.
Yeah, there's nothing there. This, I mean, the old timers would lose their minds over this one. They'd be looking at this like, get out of my way, kid. This is
We'll just put this right here, sand it down, and repaint it. Because I mean, this is a little, but this is time.
Still here.
And then
this section here, this is a double thickness. So this flange was spot welded in to give more strength. But it's real easy to go in here, cut this out, and weld in another piece. And same here, cut this out, weld in another piece. Cut this out, weld in another. This is very easy to repair. This whole section right here is a simple repair because this is not rusted through.
No, I mean, it's just a surface
out.
rust. No.
So
then there is the other side over here.
This is the stuff that guys that are storing lose their minds over because they can. Okay, this has got a skim coat. This is old school bodywork. If you were doing a custom car, a lot of custom shops back in the 70s with the beginning of the polyester fill, and into the 80s and the 90s, a lot of shops would do as much as a 1/16 of an inch skim coat over an entire car, because then they could guarantee if I was putting a car together and it was going to the show, if I'm putting in a World of Wheels, if I'm doing, I need it perfect.
Yeah.
They're going to skim coat no more than a 1/16 of an inch of filler coat over the top of the body. So this is very thin. This is what I used to see all the time.
Because it doesn't feel like Bondo. No. You're right. You're exactly. It's like a plastic.
It's a
like
skim coat. Now what they use a I'm trying to remember what they call it. Glaze. So now the guys call it glaze, which is a top coat that they'll put over a very, very fine grain inside of it. They can sand it as smooth as possible. You can sand it to 300 or 400 grit, and then you can spray over the top of it, and it is as nice as pristine metal when doing that once you've sealed it appropriately. But this,
so even on the other side, that's not that bad.
No, not at all. This is.
Oh, here. Let me hold on. Let me help you hold it. Oh wow, it is coming right out, isn't it?
So this is the old body guy trick. All you're doing is you're bringing the major bump out, and then the next step is you heat this up and then cool it, and it'll pull itself back out again.
Really?
So yeah, this is all.
Oh, I keep hitting the "here's your ugly face" button.
So what we're looking for is the high sides. Another high spot right there. And all I'm doing is asking it. As you can see right here, this was pulled in. We've already gotten it back to a better position than it was before. I'm using the rubber mallet because I really don't want to deform the panel any more than I have to. I'm really looking
at it. It already looks way better.
Oh yeah. So, and this is what I was talking about. The old guys would have a pile of sand. The old guy could put this on the pile of sand, heat it up, hit
bang, bang,
and the sand is going to give like my leather bag. But nobody had, 3 foot wide, 2 foot deep
giant
leather pads that they were working with.
Here, I was using my hip to stabilize it.
Yeah, see, right now it's oil canning.
Yep. That's the technical term for that noise.
Yeah, because the old days, that was what you heard was the oil can.
Oil can, oil can.
So there's another high spot right there. Yeah, that one's not bad at all.
And it was up on a wall in a warehouse with two large evap coolers.
Yeah.
So there's rust. It's patinaed.
So as you can see, what I'm doing is, if you look down here, I can see where
I'll film this way. Sorry.
Well, what I'm saying is, you can see where it meets here, but it's got an opening here. So I'm working through to tell it that I want it to come back out to that point. So now if you look, it's a lot closer to where it needs to be. Like I said, I learned from a lot of old timers, and the old timers just look at me. Get out the way, kid. This is how you do it. Yes, sir.
Where's my this mallet? Oh, all right, I'll go get that for you.
So that's seems to cleaning up quite a bit.
Where's the? Does that go into the?
Yeah,
oh, okay. So it's just going to screw into one of these.
Yeah.
Probably this one that's round.
Yeah. So what it would do is it would come up and it would attach, and the brace.
Oh, someone bent the shit out of this one.
But you know, this is.
Yeah.
This is metal. It likes to go back to its original shape.
It wants to go home. Send the ball home, happy. With the fire. Yeah, I need my fingers. The heat is on. Do 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 do. Oh, oh, oh. We're all heating fenders, beating the crap out of them. Da, 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 da. Stare into the eyes of the dragon. And I'll not run today. So you want to get a nice even flame around the area you're about to beat the crap out of, or are you cooling it down?
Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cool it down and see how much it springs back.
Gotcha. Be sure to spread your fire evenly. You don't want to neglect any areas.
Yeah, I'm trying
Make sure it's burning.
I really don't want to get it red hot at this point, because I'm looking to see how subtle it will be when it comes back.
All right. I was going to peel all the paint off of it, but after yesterday, and you're like, nah, it really doesn't matter.
Use a little bit of heat there. And let's see.
Oh, let me hold it. Actually, here, let's pull it out a little bit. And
okay.
I can. Ah! The end of the Mac-ass thing is still hot. Do not put your kneecap on it. Mother bitch, that was hot. Yeah, you can kind of see it falling a little bit already.
So it's coming back, and that's basically what it takes to get it back to where you would like it to be.
You just keep kind of...
Just heat and water, heat and cool, and you can pop some of the dents.
Fire. Hellfire. Arthur Brown.
Some of that paint is coming off.
Did you know that it's Redhead Appreciation Day today?
I saw that.
Had to post about it several times. Skip to my dog.
So that's really what it needs.
You can actually see it more in the phone than you can by the eye. I don't know if that's because of the way the paint is, or... Already it's, what, 70% improvement. That's probably more than that. Okay. It's time for baseball bats. Ring, ding, dong. Ring, ding, dong.
So now,
and we just keep beating the hell out of it until it... We don't want it to go the other way, right? You know, I don't want to hit it too hard. Oh no, I used on my... Oh, whoops, I don't want to ruin my tail light. That's the good one. It's only broken a little bit, as opposed to the other one that's... somebody hit me years ago. Nope. Very nice. Oh, the action. The suspense. Alright.
that's starting to come back.
Truly, it is magic using ancient techniques with modern items. Get on the other side, so you're kind of moving them in your way now. Sorry. I didn't mean to be in the way. just did the oil canning thing.
Really good body man can take that right back to front. Perfect. But that already.
But we're not really body men, so we're gonna do the best we can.
Already.
Yeah.
It's already further.
You could see the gap from
It's
that
already
angle.
much further along than it was.
All right.
And it's basically, you get a bucket of ice water, an old towel, and you heat that thing up, and you hit it with the ice water, and it will start to, the metal will try to shrink back.
Nice.
So this works okay to get it moving.
Oh, it's moving. You can tell in the video.
But that's, I mean, you know, that's a couple of hours of work
Yeah.
to get